là hian kutdawh pakhat kholai mureng hi kan hria chu engveng kan pe
mo I lúc kham kan pe mo lúc kham kan pe nga chuanin
poisa tlem azong po
poisa tlem kan pe bok nga chuan blanket kan pe bok mo chuan ban hla te ai tu tem kan pe bok
we are going to give
this is my favorite one and I'm gonna give it away.
This is one of my t-shirt and this is our pillow. He don't have pillow, so we are going to give him. Then this is blanket, so
It still smells like me.
we are going to give so that he can sleep at night warmly, nah, bro?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think he needs it more than I
let's
do.
go.
Let's go. Oh, should I?
Okay. Yeah, this is the sound of, the sound of excitement, You do good things, people do good things, that's it. So we're going out, okay? I'll close the door.
Some biscuits and of course a cigar. I was thinking of just maybe we waste the night with it. And all these clothes, and of course water. We're gonna give it to someone.
So here we go. This is the gate. So we're going on our way. We're going to meet him since these are my two friends who are very careful, very careful for others. They care for others, and then now the man that we're going to give all these eatable things, and then all kind of foods, and then blankets, whatever, pillow, whatever, water. So he's the kind of person who work hard, I have observed him for almost 2 years, and then I was just thinking that he's not simply a person who sleep and beg. He work, but then he didn't get enough maybe, so we are here to give to him.
We have reached the place. He's right here. So we are going to give him this stuff. Come on, let's go. I'm so excited. Come on.
Let's go. You greet him first, okay? That's right.
Hey bro.
Bạn sân thấy tổ lâu mà là im mộ bề ra chia rin ôm cả ôm mẹ itan cả ôm reng yang tiếc lại bội i lâu nó tiếc bầu harsat nakan tok treva lâu na tên thà zar ma se ka om me
ole khati song kha shilonga chen na nei lo kutdawh pakhat kan ranpui na kha nia thil lian tham tak chu kan ti thei lo ma se hei kan theng tok chung kan ranpuin kan hria chuan min ranpui ve theinan he ta ka ko sen vet vet le apun chiam hi khongai mi lo me sakula kan lo hodang.
So guys, there is a saying that no one becomes poor by giving. Don't hesitate to help others.
And guys, please don't forget to subscribe.
Subscribe and press the bell and share our videos. So we'll be sharing you more and more nice videos.
Okay, see you soon, guys.